Welcome back to our channel. Today we'll show you how to change your Telegram lock passcode on your PC. It's a simple process that can help you enhance the security of your Telegram account. Let's dive right in. To begin, open the Telegram app on your PC. Next, locate the three lines icon at the top left corner of the screen and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Within the Settings menu, find and click on Privacy and Security. Scroll down until you find Local Passcode and click on it. Now you'll see the option to change passcode. Go ahead and click on it. To proceed, enter your current local passcode. Once you've done that, it's time to enter your new passcode. Make sure it's strong and secure. To confirm your new passcode, re-enter it in the provided field. Finally, click on Save Passcode to save your changes. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your Telegram lock passcode on your PC. Remember to keep your passcode confidential and avoid sharing it with others. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more helpful content.